Hi everyone, this is Linda from Trilotech. In this video series, we're going to get you started with staking on Tezos. If you're not aware already, staking was actually introduced to Tezos in June 2024. This means that for individual Tez holders like you and I, we can now stake as a way to earn rewards on our Tez. Prior to this, you could only delegate as a way to do so. Now you can both delegate and stake. So why do I say delegate and stake? That's because staking on Tezos is a two-step process. First, you delegate, and then you stake. This makes Tezos a unique chain. You have a few options as a Tez holder. You can either just delegate, or you can delegate and stake. If this sounds complicated, don't worry. We're going to walk you step by step through the entire process in this video series. And the reason why we're talking about staking today is, well, first of all, it's new. Second of all, the rewards are twice that of delegation. To see what the rewards are right now, all we have to do is go to Block Explorer. So let's do that. Let's go to tzkt.io. Here we go. Let's go down to the proof of stake column right here. As we can see, estimated APY. So now we see two numbers. What are they? Well, let's hover over this little question mark right here. As we can see now, the first one is for delegation and the second is for staking. So as you can see, staking is twice that of delegation. Let's go back to the staking app. So, okay, let's stake. But what do you need? So we'll be staking via this app right here. Stake.tezos.com was developed by builders from within the Tezos ecosystem. You can also stake through the Temple and Umami wallet, links in the description. But we're going to show you how to use the staking app here because it's really easy to use and you can manage everything from it. So now we have the staking app. We're also going to need a wallet with Tez in it. If you want to see what wallets you can use, you can just click Connect Wallet right here. So now you see I have a few options that have popped up. If I click on show more, I get a very extensive list of wallets. Now for this series, I'm going to go with Kukai because it's super easy to use, but really you can use any wallet provider in this list. All right, we're now in the phone view. And as you can see, I have some Tez on my wallet right here. Now, if you don't have Tez yet and you want to get some, you can easily buy it on centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. You can also poke around your wallet and see what options they offer. So once you do buy your Tez, send it to the wallet that you want to stake from. Once you have your Tez in your wallet like I do, you're ready for the next step. Coming in the next video.